This is the loudest it's been so far. You can see the holes hanging everywhere. They're hanging and sitting on everything. I don't think there's a place out here that doesn't have them all over it. I get out here to the other trees and show you how it is under them. Just being outside gives you a headache. And they're still emerging. You see the white one just emerged. The ground is just littered with the holes. And it's not just the ground. Look up in the trees. They're all over the leaves. And that's just the lower branches that you can see. They're all the way up the tree. It's not just one tree. It's every tree in our yard. The holes where they've shed. Look at that. Everywhere. They're hanging on everything. The irises are covered. The ground's been aerated really well. This is where we first started noticing them coming out. And the holes are actually breaking down already. There's so many. It's been going on for a couple of weeks now. I don't know if you can see the leaves up there. And the leaves way on up there. They're still crawling up it a little bit. Nothing like what they were. The shells are so deep. Oh, there's one that just fell off the tree. This one just emerged. He hasn't lost his shell yet. He's a late guy. Alright, thought I'd just share, let everybody see what it's like in the middle of the cicadas.